A man messaged me on this app. He has been coughing for the longest of time. And guess what? There was not even weight loss for you to start thinking it's TB. When I asked him, have you ever checked your blood pressure before? He said, why will he be checking his blood pressure? He's very young. He cannot be checking his blood pressure at this age. I insisted he checked his blood pressure and also do some other investigations. And that was how we found out that his blood pressure has been high all along. And guess what? He also has congestive cardiac failure. That was why he has been coughing all along. Please check your blood pressure today. Like this video and follow my page for more. You don't want to miss out.